Today, I want to talk about content marketing, and more importantly, making sales from your content marketing, because the main reason why I see people not doing it is simply because they're like, what's the end result, right? And you think, okay, I'm pushing out loads of content, I'm making loads of posts, but then you sit there and you think, am I converting sales off this? Is my business growing?
Yeah, it was a great insight into how Aaron applies his different methodologies and strategies into converting sales.
Are we excited? Yeah! You're looking at that camera. Well, there's a few slides to get through.
I've just been to Aaron Branch's social media marketing content workshop and come away with some really clear plans about how to really break down how to make content using film on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook,